Hi, and welcome to 3 Carnegie. In this video, we will be going over how to use the technology in this room for displaying what you want and how to use the room for Zoom conferencing as well. First off, you want to sign into the PC with your Penn State credentials. If the TV isn't on, use the remote by the TV to turn it on. If it's not mirroring the computer screen, use the remote to change the input for HDMI 1. If you have a laptop you want to present from, there is an HDMI cable by the computer you can plug into the laptop. To display on the TV will need to be set to input 2 on the remote. Once you do so, the TV should be mirroring the laptop. To start a Zoom conference from the PC, sign into Zoom, then click on the SSO option and log in through PSU for the domain, and enter your login information when prompted. When Zoom launches, you will be prompted to join with the computer's audio. Click on to confirm so. The default camera in the room is the Logi Rally Bar. It is the room-facing camera underneath the TV. If you want to change it, there is a ceiling-mounted front-facing room camera you can choose. It is labeled the Logitech Brio. When you are done with the meeting, end the Zoom meeting, then sign out of the computer, then turn off the TV. Thanks.